g'day, bonjour, hi, I'm Michaela and welcome to my kitchen. Today we are making a Greek yogurt and a chia cake. I'm actually going to put it in a loaf tin, but you can put it in a cake tin. And we're going to mix the dry ingredients. First, we've got some almond flour, some baking soda, and some cocoa powder. Now, it called for black cocoa powder, which I don't have and I couldn't find. So I'm just using my regular cocoa powder. So we're just going to mix that up together. And then what we're going to do in another bowl is we're going to whisk together some eggs, some maple syrup, some chia seeds, and some Greek yogurt and vanilla. So we're just going to whisk all this together. Then we're going to add the dry with the wet. And we're going to pour it in our tin and bake it. That's it. Something different and delicious. So we're going to put in our dry now and whisk it all together. Actually, I'm going to fold it in. Now with my loaf tin, I've taken some parchment paper. I wet it so it fit into the container properly, like this. So if you wet your parchment paper before you put it in and squeeze it, you can, it'll fit really nicely into your tin. All right, so we're just mixing it. Oh, it smells nice from the cocoa. All right, so just like that. Okay, now we're gonna put this in our oven that's preheated. I'm going to bake it and I'll come back and show you what it looks like. Now remember, almond flour, it doesn't rise, so it's not going to be a high cake. If you want it high, put it in a smaller tin. All right, so now we're just going to put it into our cake tin. Now it's quite high in here, so it's about halfway up my pan. If it was in a round cake tin that was bigger, it would be not as high. So just sort out what tin you want to put it in. Okay, there we go. That's it. So I'm going to pop this in the oven and I'm going to come back and show you what it looks like when it's all cooked. Okay, so it's cooked and I took it out of the oven probably a little bit too soon because it sunk a little bit in the middle, as you can see, but it smells delicious. And once you put the parchment paper, it was so easy just to peel off. It's cool. And let's cut it and see what it looks like. I like to cut in the middle because I don't like the ends. Oh, that looks delicious. And you know what? It's a little bit yummy underneath. I can see a tad. Oh, that looks really good. And it smells good. I don't think anybody's going to know there's chia seeds in there. Let's try it. Shall we? Okay. So it's a little sunken because I guess I could have left a little gooier. Oh, really nice. It's nice and soft and moist. And you wouldn't know that there's chia seeds in there. I don't really taste them at all. And they don't crunch either. So worth making. You can ice it, put an icing on. You can make it in a round cake tin. Delicious Greek yogurt, chia seed, cocoa cake. Enjoy.